let's dive into one of Japan's most beloved pastimes, karaoke. Ever wanted to try it but didn't know how? Well, this explainer's got you covered. So, karaoke literally means empty orchestra. And yep, it was invented right here in Japan.
Yeah, forget singing in a bar. In Japan, it's all about the private karaoke box.
And it's not just for groups. Hitori-Karaoke, singing solo, has become super popular too. Okay, so you've arrived. First stop is the front desk or the uketsuke. Just tell the staff your group size, that's ninzu, and for how long you want to sing. Now, how do you pay? You've basically got two main options to choose from. Jikan Ryokin is your basic hourly rate. Free time is a flat fee for a longer block. One person will need to register. Pro tip, if they offer a membership, get it for discounts. All right, you've made it to your room. This is where the real fun starts. Now, you'll probably run into the one-drink system. Basically, everyone orders at least one drink. Okay, drinks are ordered. Now, grab that tablet-like remote. That's your songbook.
You can search for songs by artist or title. And good news, most have an English option.
Need a snack? Just use the tablet or the room phone to order more food and drinks. All right, so how do you know when your time is almost up? Good question. About 5 minutes before your time ends, the room phone will ring. It's just a friendly warning. But what if you're not ready to stop? Well, you might not have to. If the room is available, you can ask for an encho, which is an extension. Once that last song fades out, it's time to head back to the front desk. This is where you'll pay for everything, your time, drinks, and any extensions. Then you're all set. Okay, so let's do a quick checklist to make sure you remember everything for your first time. And there you have it. You're ready to go. So what's the first song you'll sing?